we will make, what do you make, Minho? We're going to make hot cake.
Hot cake.
So what are the ingredients? What's this?
Flour.
Flour. Okay, this one. What is this? Baking powder.
Baking powder.
This one. What's eggs? This one.
Cheese.
Margarine. This one. Sugar.
Sugar.
And how about this one?
Manteca.
Oil. Okay, this one. What's this?
Juice.
Okay, orange juice. And lastly, we have this one. What's this?
Milk.
Milk and
Water.
yeah, we have also
Water.
Okay, put the flour. Okay, slowly.
Wow, very mini flour.
Yeah, very many slowly.
Manya.
Okay.
Okay, start mixing.
Yeah, mixing. And then add the baking powder, 1 tablespoon. How many? 1 tablespoon. Okay. Mix. You have to mix. Slowly mix. And then after that, you have to add what? What do you have
Juice.
to? No, first thing is we have to add this one, egg.
Egg. Crack the egg.
Yeah, crack the egg. How many eggs do we need?
2.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay.
Stop mixing.
Okay, slowly mixing.
Wait, it's not pudding.
Yeah, it will. Just okay, one direction at a time.
One direction.
Yeah.
Ako lang.
Okay, here. One direction like this one.
Wow, very big.
Yeah, it's so big. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. And then after that, we have to add the powdered milk. This one.
The powder milk.
Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, okay. Can you add the powder milk?
Okay. Mommy, help me.
Okay. Okay, add now. Put all powdered milk.
Okay. Very many.
Okay.
It's done. Ako la.
Okay.
Yeah, the milk is so.
Okay, then.
And juice.
Okay, add the juice.
Okay.
Add the juice slowly.
Okay, slowly.
Slowly add the juice.
What's turning?
What it turning? It turning?
I don't know.
Okay, mix first. Okay.
Okay, not enough juice.
Okay, just mix first.
Wow, it's turning orange.
Yeah, it's turning orange because of the juice.
Because the juice?
Yep.
What's pulling?
Okay.
What's pulling?
Do it properly. Okay.
Wow,
Mommy
very...
will help.
Okay. Be careful.
Yep.
Ako sak.
Okay, Mommy will add more juice.
Okay.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay, mix thoroughly.
Wow.
You like
Very yummy juice.
very yummy. You mix it thoroughly. Okay.
Wow, it's juice.
Oh, don't eat yet.
Yummy.
Yummy? It's yummy already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's slowly add some water.
Wow.
Okay. Eat yet. It's not yet cooked. Okay.
Mommy, yummy.
It's yummy. Are you excited to eat hot cake?
Oh.
Okay, mix thoroughly.
Yeah, very yummy. Wait, very heavy, Mom.
Ah, it's many because we have friends here. Okay. Okay. Then add more water, honey.
Okay.
Add more water.
Very heavy.
Oh, slowly.
Okay, not enough water.
Right, enough.
Mommy, want me drink some glass water?
Okay.
But don't want to try?
No, I don't like to drink.
Oh.
Okay.
I done. Wow, very fast, the mommy. Mommy like a race car.
Mommy like a race car.
Yeah, mixed race car. Mommy, yummy and tasty. Can you drink juice?
Okay. So mix it or yeah.
Wow, very fast. Ako lang.
Oh, you do it.
Wow.
Not yet.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
You add more.
Not,
But it's not so sticky.
not so sticky. Wow, it's not sticky at all.
It's not sticky at all.
Yeah. But don't want the taste?
Hmm?
Taste it. You taste, Mom.
You want me to taste it?
The taste, Mom.
Okay, I will try to taste.
Okay.
It's yummy.
Yeah. You put flour and juice and so yummy. Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
You're so fast. Like a race car.
Like a race car?
Yummy.
Add some
Ako lang.
coloring, food coloring.
Okay.
Just a little honey.
Why is turning red? Like
No, it's
that
yellow. It's yellow.
Yellow.
Okay, finish.
Finish?
Okay, mix.
Okay. Wow. It's turning yellow. What's happening?
It's turning yellow.
Yeah, because the orange.
Okay.
Wow. It's so colorful, like a rainbow.
No, it's not a rainbow. It's only yellow. So add more.
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow.
Yeah. Wait, it's turning. Did you put? Wow, it's yellow. I like this yellow. I like it. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. Okay, let me see. Okay. So this is the consistency that works, but not so lumpy. Okay, then set aside for at least 30 minutes. Then we can start cooking.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Hold on. So first you have to put some oil.
Okay. Put some oil.
Just a little bit oil.
Okay.
Okay, make sure it's just exactly.
Okay.
Then,
Put it.
okay, come here, Minho. Okay, mommy will assist you.
Okay.
Okay, be careful from the up. Go.
Oh, it's hot.
Yep, I know. That's why mommy's helping you. Finish.
It's so hot.
It's so hot, so you should. That's why it's only for. You should have mommy when you're
Mommy,
making hot
it's too
cake.
hot, Mom.
Yeah,
Yeah, very, very hot.
it's very, very hot.
Yeah, like a sun and like an acorn as snow.
Okay, that's it. Then
That's it.
on the other part, you have.
Mommy, wait, okay? What, wait? Mommy sleep ko and then mommy wait ha? Or sleep ko?
So wait for a moment. Diba? Oh, I mean,
Yeah, I'm waiting, Mom.
you're waiting. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, it's turning.
Yep.
It's turning.
Okay. And put it on the.
Plate.
Yeah. So we have here the plate.
How about the honey?
Here.
How about the honey?
We don't have honey, man, because this is Filipino
Mom.
style.
How about the sprinkles?
Okay. We don't need sprinkles, so we need to put some margarine.
Margarine.
Oh, not that.
I like margarine.
Yeah, you'll put margarine and then some
Sugar.
sugar.
I like sugar.
So we're done.
Yeah, we done. Can you eat?
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah, okay. And then mommy give us 5 stars.
Yeah, you want to give mommy 5 star?
Yeah, happy
Okay, we're done.
Wow, you got 100.
Okay.
100 stars.
It's delicious and so fluffy. Lami? Abi, lami? Lami? Ay! Ay!